Okay, in this video I'd like to do problem number 2 from the review sheet. This is converting IP addresses into dotted decimal notation given their binary notation, and this is absolutely straightforward. And I will just remind you that so we have an IP address, and that's 32 bits, which is also 4 bytes. Okay, and we can convert the 32 bits into decimal values 1 byte at a time. And when we go in 4 groups of 8 like this, as 4 bytes, what we're going to do is we're going to convert each of these decimal values each of these binary values into a decimal value, which will be in the range from 0 to 2 to the 8th minus 1, or 0 to 255. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits, which is 1 byte. And the byte value is in the range from 0 to 255, which is from 0 to 2 to the 8th minus 1. Okay? And so, very straightforward. You just use your binary representation. This is the ones place: 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. And when you see a number, I'm not even going to do them all. For instance, this one, 10101000. 10101000. You can almost do it in your head. 1, 2, 4, I go 8, 16 plus 32, 8 plus 32 is 40, 64, 128. 128 plus 40 is 168. And this is one of the numbers we see very often in an IP address. If we go to part A, 1, 1, and then zeros, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. There's a 1 in the 64's place and a 1 in the 128's place. You sum those to 192. And so this is the sequence of patterns that you're often going to see in an IP address of the form 192.168, which is within the private address space. So that's just a quick reminder on the binary to decimal. And so, for example, in part A here, this is a 192.168.whatever, and it's maybe tedious to figure these things out, but it's very straightforward.